With agriculture being its backbone, India stands with its head held high in front of the world. Farming, dairy, veterinary and fisheries industries greatly influence Indian economy. Because of the richness of soil and favorable climatic conditions, about 60% population of India is involved in agriculture. But how long? How long the legacy will be continued with the heart-rending grave statistics of farmers attempting suicide? With the misery of inadequate arrangement of resources for farming and loss of crops, agriculture is not a profit-making business. Recognizing the matter as a huge problem, Honorable PM came up with the scheme of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. This scheme is taken up as a mission and is becoming the greatest aid to the farmers compared to previous schemes.
The Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana was effectively implemented in Indore district in the Kharif season of 2016 with the involvement of public representatives, farming community, Kisan Sanghs and associations and Panchayat Raj institutions. We were able to bring in the entire farming community under the Fasal Bima Yojana. The entire stress was on the non-loany farmers or the defaulter farmers who were not willing to or were not in the net of the Bima Yojana. In the Kharif of 2016, about 95% of the Kisans were made part of this Fasal Bima Yojana. Similar efforts have been made in Rabi also, and more than 95% of Kisans are being insured under the Fasal Bima Yojana.
The Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is first of the kind, covering the maximum problems that can occur in farming activity. The scheme covers the time before sowing of the crops to the time of 14 days after reaping of the crops. Coming up with the least premium percentages of 2% for Kharif and 1.5% for Rabi crops, the insurance is without caps. The farmer can easily get the complete claim. For the first time, satellite and mobile technology is used for precise estimation and swift payment to the farmers. The first workshop was conducted on 15 June 2016 in the presence of Collector P. Narhari. He addressed rural agriculture extension officers and the entire team of Agriculture Department. The second workshop for the scheme was held on 24 June 2016 in the AVV auditorium, addressing bank representatives, Rural Agriculture Extension Officer Panchayat, Coordinating Officer, Gram Rojgar Sahayaks, Panchayat Secretaries, Janpat Panchayats, Team of Agriculture Department, Tehsildars, Chief Executive Officer and public representatives from all walks of life. Farmers associations participated in this program. In this workshop, various points were discussed regarding the approach and allocation to make the scheme beneficial to all the farmers, answering various queries regarding the scheme. With the aim of benefiting all farmers including loany and non-loany farmers, after the brainstorming workshop, the mission took its next step of organizing Gram Chaupals in every Gram Panchayat. This resulted in 312 Chaupals with 1560 officers involved under the monitoring of 35 district level officers. To get the field insured, farmers were asked to show their identity cards with photograph, correctly filled proposal forms, sowing certificate from local patwaris and land ownership booklet. After thorough justification of documents, which was an easy process, the farmers got their farms insured. After dedicated efforts for few months, out of 1,29,187 farmers in Indore district, 1,22,286 farmers got their insurance done. This is 94.65% of farmers. With great efforts and lots of convincing by the teams, 7,779 non-loany farmers successfully were insured, which is 6.36% of total number.
ये प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना प्रधानमंत्री जी ने बहुत अच्छी निकाली है। 1.5% राशि में ही हमारा बीमा हो रहा है। पहले बहुत ज़्यादा लगता था। पिछली बार अभी बारिश में सोयाबीन की भी बीमा कराया था हमने। अभी इस बार गेहूँ का और चने का भी बीमा कराया है। इससे अगर बोनी से कटाई तक कुछ भी नुकसान होता है तो उसके हमको पूरी राशि बीमा योजना देती है।
हमने गेहूं का, सोयाबीन और चने का बीमा कराया है, तो इसमें फ़ायदा है हमको। प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना है जो उसमें हमको कुछ भी नुकसान होता है काटने के बाद पहले तो सरकार हमको देती है उसमें, तो उससे फ़ायदा है तो कुछ नुकसान नहीं होता।
As a result of the concerted efforts, a total of 1,89,454 hectares of Kharif crops were insured, which is 90.19% of the total Kharif zone area. Similar and concrete efforts were made for Rabi season as well. This well-designed scheme with its effective implementation is bringing smiles on the faces of farmers.